Something incredible is happening right now. The Northern Lights, a breathtaking natural phenomenon usually seen in the Arctic, are now visible across parts of the US and the UK. But why is this happening? How long will it last? And how can you witness this rare event? Stay tuned because we're breaking it all down, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. But what's happening? The reason behind this rare aurora sighting is an intense geomagnetic storm triggered by a massive solar flare from the sun. NASA and NOAA have confirmed that a coronal mass ejection, CME, hit Earth's magnetic field, causing these dazzling displays to extend much farther south than usual. NOAA's Space Weather Prediction Center, SWPC, reported a G4 to G5 level storm, which is among the strongest on the geomagnetic scale. Typically, northern lights are seen in places like Alaska, Canada, and Scandinavia. But right now, even states like New York, Illinois, and Oregon, as well as parts of Scotland and northern England, are witnessing this phenomenon. How long will it last? If you want to see the aurora, act fast. These lights are directly linked to solar activity, and experts predict the effects may last for a few nights before fading. The best viewing time is between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. local time, and the best chance of seeing them is to stay away from city lights and look for clear, dark skies. Why is this happening now? This isn't random, it's part of a natural cycle. The sun follows an 11-year solar cycle, and right now, we are heading into solar maximum, a period of heightened solar activity. This means more solar flares, coronal mass ejections, CMEs, and stronger auroras. Scientists predicted this increase, but this storm is particularly strong, ranking among the most powerful in recent years. In 1859, the Carrington event, the strongest geomagnetic storm ever recorded, caused auroras as far south as Cuba and disrupted telegraph systems worldwide. In 1989, a similar storm knocked out Quebec's power grid. In 2003, the Halloween storms caused power blackouts in Sweden and damaged satellites. 2025's event isn't expected to cause major disruptions, but it's one of the most spectacular displays we've seen in decades. How to see the Northern Lights. So, how can you maximize your chances of seeing the aurora? Here's a quick checklist. Check the aurora forecast. Websites like NOAA's Space Weather Prediction Center and Aurora Alerts apps provide real-time updates. Find dark skies. Get away from city lights for the best visibility. Face north. The lights appear closer to the horizon if you're in lower latitudes. Use a camera. Sometimes auroras are faint to the naked eye, but appear bright on camera with a long exposure setting. Be patient. Auroras can appear and disappear within minutes, so give it time. Impact of this storm. Strong geomagnetic storms don't just bring pretty lights, they can also cause real-world effects. Potential disruptions to GPS and radio signals, especially for airlines and maritime navigation. Power grid fluctuations, though modern systems are better equipped to handle them. Satellite interference, which could temporarily affect internet and communication networks. Final thoughts. Narrator. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to witness nature's most stunning light show. If you're in the US or UK, tonight might be your best chance to see it. Make sure to capture the moment, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible space and science updates. Thanks for watching, and if you've ever seen the Northern Lights, let us know your experience in the comments.